Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this patented black powder-coated steel telescoping, offset, pole-mounted infrared patio heater from FireSense. The 1500-watt quartz lamp creates a wonderful directed warmth that is effective and energy efficient. Operating on a standard 110-volt household circuit, this emission-free, silent, and odorless heater can also be used indoors. The sleek design and black powder-coated steel finish reflect the finest materials for this high-end heater. This heater comes with wheels for easy mobility, telescopic adjustable pole, and a tilt shut-off switch for safety. Whether you're using this unit for warmth or ambiance, the black powder-coated steel, telescoping, offset pole-mounted infrared patio heater from FireSense does it all in comfort, quality, and style. FireSense, the fire of living.
Okay, come this way. Help me. Help me. Okay, can we set it down? Thanks. Can we open it? Okay. You want it?
Yeah, I do want it.
Okay, here you go.
I got my blanket.
Oh, you gotta hold your blanket.
These are from Star Patio. You can get them on Amazon. This heater.
This is like my life's like, yes.
You can see where we're hanging out here. These are electrical, they're amazing. It puts off a lot of heat, puts off like 5100 BTUs, really warm, and there's no fumes or anything because it's electrical. So far we love it, and it's the first thing that we got. Yep, just pull it down. Keep pulling it. Yeah, you did it.
You did it. It's on.
It's warm.
It is warm, huh? Already. That's impressive. Yeah. That'll be nice for dinner, huh?
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with this attractive Havana Bronze Powder Coat Finish Commercial Patio Heater from Amazon Basics. This 46,000 BTU heater creates wonderful warmth that is effective up to a 9-foot radius. The heater uses a standard 20-pound LP gas cylinder, which is not included with your purchase. The deep bronze powder-coated finish creates a perfect companion color for the most fashionable patio decor items. This patio heater comes with a reliable piezo igniter, wheels for easy mobility, a weighted base for stability, and a tilt shutoff switch for safety. The sturdy design and commercial-grade materials enable this heater to weather the elements for years. This exciting heater from Amazon Basics is an ideal solution for any outdoor living space.